Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Timothy Galloway, and if y'all like this video, please smash that like. Please punch the bell. You can get every video I make. I make every day. Okay, you like this video? Please share this video. Okay, I am doing a 9 minutes challenge to affiliate marketing. It's a free affiliate marketing program, and all you have to do, check out the link and see if you like it. Okay, and I am promoting a affiliate marketing, affiliate nation, and we got a free affiliate marketing program, and if you like it, you can check it out, or you have any questions about it. But I will. Okay, I can train you, and it's only $25 to train you how. If you have any questions, like when you sign up underneath my link, if you have any other questions, okay, I charge $25 to train you if you have any other question about it, okay? And if you other coaching programs, other programs they had, like the affiliate marketing, they don't when you sign up underneath them, you sign up in other programs, you don't get help. You don't get help. All you do, you send an email, and cause they open up a ticket cause you having problems, and you don't get no help. But I can tell you, the affiliate marketing program I am doing, I can help you, cause this is my coaching program, and I can help you. I'll be your coach. I will be there for you. Okay? Cause you won't like you send a message and I don't respond. I will respond every. I don't care day, night, weekends, or whatever. I will respond to that text or to that email or whatever. I will respond to you. I may not respond right then, but I will respond that same day. I promise I will. Okay, because I am a busy man, but I will help you. Okay, if you have any questions about the affiliate marketing or the programs I am doing, just send me a message and I will respond to you. Okay, and I got a Facebook group, and we doing the affiliate marketing where I am doing a coaching program. Okay, y'all have any questions about it? Just let me know, and I can respond to you. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and please like this video, please share this, and please tell people about this program. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.